Today, we're counting down the top 5 most devastating pandemics in human history. Coming in at number 5 is the Russian flu. It swept the globe in 1889, and while it was called a flu, some scientists today believe it was actually an early form of coronavirus. The symptoms? Fever, headache, and a loss of taste and smell, which sounds a lot like COVID-19, doesn't it? This pandemic was one of the first to demonstrate the power of global connectivity as it raced across continents in a matter of months. At number 4, we have the Antonine Plague, which struck the Roman Empire in the 2nd century AD. It's believed to have been an early form of smallpox, and it was devastating. Imagine a disease so deadly that at its peak, it killed 2,000 people a day in Rome alone. The plague raged for 15 years, ultimately claiming up to 10 million lives. Many historians believe it was one of the key factors that led to the eventual decline and fall of the Roman Empire, a stark reminder that even the mightiest empires are vulnerable. Number 3 is the Plague of Justinian. In the 6th century, this pandemic, caused by the Yersinia pestis bacterium, tore through the Byzantine Empire. It's estimated that at its peak, 10,000 people were dying every single day. The sheer number of dead was so overwhelming that they ran out of space to bury them. This plague returned in waves for 2 centuries, wiping out a significant portion of the world's population at the time. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Black Death. This is the one we all learn about in school. In the 14th century, it wiped out an estimated 30 to 60% of Europe's population. That's around 75 to 200 million people globally. The Black Death's impact on society was profound, leading to major social, economic, and cultural changes. It's even credited with helping to bring about the end of the feudal system and the beginning of the Renaissance. And now, for the most devastating pandemic in recorded history. Number 1 is the 1918 Spanish flu. This pandemic infected an estimated 500 million people worldwide, with a death toll of up to 100 million. What's truly terrifying is that it disproportionately affected young, healthy adults. It's a chilling reminder of the power of disease and how unpredictable it can be. These pandemics, though devastating, have shaped human history in profound ways. They've spurred advancements in medicine and public health, and they continue to remind us of our vulnerability and our resilience. Join us next time for another deep dive into the pages of history. Thanks for listening.